Thank you everybody for joining us. I always forget to do like introductions for those who might be new. So if you've never been to this call before, I apologize. I'm Jessie. Welcome to This Week at Top Coder. This call is all about us telling you what's going on within the community for this week and just to be available to answer any questions you guys might have. Okay, so it's a very open-ended call. Stop us at any time if you have any questions. You can jump off mute and ask live, or you can chat your questions in the chat. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna jump right in, and this week we're gonna start with the Tcl Regionals. I thought it'd be a great idea for Harshit and I to kind of talk through these regional events that we're planning that are happening the first week of August. And we kind of went a little crazy and did something a little different. And if it's not super clear what the plan is, we figured we'd just go over it a little bit today. If you did get your invitation, congratulations, great job. If you did not get an invite, I do want to make sure that I extend invites out to folks on this call, just because you guys are here and you're engaged and we appreciate you. So if you have not received an invitation to the TCO regional events, just shoot Harshit a note or me, or you can email tco@topcoder.com. We'd love to have you so you can experience it if you're new to Top Coder. So Harshit, I'm just going to go right to the website. If you want to run through kind of what's going on this year, that'd be great, because I know you put a lot of effort into this.
Right. So thanks, Jesse. So this year, I think with another year of virtual events, we decided let's do something differently this time. And we have seen that most of the members who come to regionals, they don't get a chance to meet members from other regions. So we decided this time let's make it happen because it's virtual and it's easy to do that. It would be great to bring in, do it together and bring members to have a regional event that's happening at all the regions at the same time. So this is how it's happening this time. We are running regional events from August 2nd to August 8th. All the regional events are in parallel, as I just said. So you will see a common competition for all the members from all the regions. So there will be one development competition, one design competition, one algorithm competition, one marathon, and yes, as I said, yes, there's a marathon as well this time. So a lightning marathon match after 3 years in a regional event. So you'll see all these events. While I say there will be one competition for all the regions, we will have separate leaderboards available for all the regions as well. So you will be able to see how are you performing against the members in your region. And because we have these leaderboards, the reason we have these leaderboards is because we want to award regional winners as well. So very similar to how we do at regionals. There will be a competition. You will compete against the members in your region. You can see that in your leaderboard, and you will get regional prizes as well. And while you do that, you get a chance to see where do you stand with the members in other regions. So this is the advantage of this year. When we are doing these events, you can meet members from other region. You can compete against the members of other regions as well, and there's an additional prize as well. So if you come at the top as the champion of a particular track, you get $200 additional in prizes, and you can find that on the details page. There is another prize as well. This time we are doing something interesting. We are awarding a TCO trip as well with from regional events. So if you are the jack of I should say all trades, this is a great chance for you. You can compete in all the competitions you compete in. So this makes me go back to you can compete in a multiple number of competitions. The schedule is staggered enough to make you go back and spend time and compete in all the competitions. These are the competition rules. You can jump in any of these competitions. Each competition you compete in, you will get some points, and these points will help you win a TCO 21 trip. So if Jesse if you can scroll down. Yes, so these are the prizes of the overall competition. So we want you guys, if you are a complete top coder, you do data science, you do marathons, you do algorithms, you do development, you do QA, you do design as well. This is your chance to, sorry, this is your chance to go back and win this award as well. So trip to TCO 21 plus $500 for the winner, 1,500 for the person who comes second, 1,000 for the third, 10, 15, 500. And right below on this page, you can also find the point system. It's pretty consistent, and you can also win points for the games you play. So we when I say top coder, we also want you to have fun. You are a complete top coder if you're having fun as well. So if you gain some points on the games as well, you get that on the leaderboard. So regionals, you must have got an invite. Once again, if you haven't got an invite, as Jesse said, mail us. We would love to extend an invite to you. The email ID is tco@topcoder.com, and of course, I'm sure you guys know Jesse's and mine or Adam's email ID. Hit any one of us, and you can. We will make sure you get an invite. Uh, and that's that. So, Jesse, can you move to the schedule page once? So this is how the schedule looks like. It starts on August 2nd. We start with a marathon match, and we start with a development hackathon as well. So you get 3 days to you know divide your time and do marathon and the development hackathon as well. Then with okay, Jesse, you want to talk about the regional meetups?
Yeah, sure. So one of the best parts about the regional events, of course, is being able to again network with some folks in your region. And so it was really important to me to make sure that you still had that chance to spend quality time with folks from your region specifically. So every single regional event we will be hosting a regional meetup specific to that region for that group of folks. Uh, Hopefully in a good time spot for you. So they're kind of staggered all over the place timing wise because we want to make sure it's a good spot for your region. So you'll have a top coder team member in there, maybe a few of us depending on the time zone, and everybody from in your region will play games. We might have a guest speaker potentially. So there's a lot of really fun things that we'll be doing through those. So we really encourage you to join those regional meetups, of course. And you kind of want to because then you can be eligible for the really cool t-shirt that you're going to get.
Right. So yes, I think so. This is so we are keeping the importance of regional event, the importance of regional connect, and while we do this, we're also giving you a chance to compete against the members in not only in your region but against the members in other regions as well. So this is how we have staggered it: August 2nd to August 8th. Take a look at the schedule. Let us know what do you think about it, and we'd love to see you there. Uh, there are several things happening, several competitions. So make sure you block your times this week and you are available and competing in these competitions. There are exciting prizes, as I said. Not only the regional winners will get prizes, you get an additional prize for being the track champion, and you also get the overall tournament prizes if you do well in all the tracks. So this is what we have for this year regionals, and we hope you will like it. So we hope to see you there.
Yes, thank you, Harshit. And so if you are here on this call because we encourage you to join in case you had questions about the regional event, then please speak up. You can ask in the chat or you can get off mute. We just want to make sure you're 100% clear on this event. So does anyone have any questions on the regionals?
I have one question. Um, I'm honest, and I was thrown in Africa. Yes, when I joined Top Quarter, I was in Uganda back then, but I moved to the US after that. For some reason, my rating is going to Africa, so I'm definitely in the wrong region for some reason.
Yeah, that is fine. So whatever region you are in at the moment, that is your current competition country. So make sure you update your profile on Topcoder and change the region. Once it is changed, the leaderboards we will be creating will be based on your current region. So make sure you update that.
Where you're living. Yeah, good question. We've seen that a few times, so yeah, no
Yeah.
problem. And if you want, you can email tco@topcoder.com just to let us know that you're all set, and we'll make sure you're on the right list. Any other questions on the regional events? What are the exact requirements to be eligible for a TCO t-shirt? Yeah, actually, I think I have that on the schedule page, right, Harshit?
It's on the details page. Sorry, under the prizes, I think.
To be eligible for
Yeah.
t-shirt prizes, you have to compete in at least one competition and join the event during the opening ceremony, the closing ceremony, and your region's meetup. So I mean, we really do want you to be a part of the event. So you can't really get a t-shirt if you're not part of the event, right? It's important to us that you're there, you're engaging with us, and you're competing. Like, this is really for you guys. So we want you to really want you to be a part of it. So that's why we're kind of putting rules into place for that. Obviously, things happen. You know, you might lose Wi-Fi during part of it. Just let us know. I mean, and if there's something that's, you know, can't join for some reason, who knows? Just be open with us and contact us. We really want you to be there. We put a lot of work into these things. It's really all done for you guys. So try your best to join because we want to see you. Good question. Any other questions? That's it. Are the events rated, Harshit?
Yes, all the events are rated. Development, QA, uh, algorithm, marathon, all of them will be rated. Yes.
Hey, Harshit, do you want to give a quick overview of the algo competitions? Because it's going to be really different from previous years, especially with the wildcard round.
Oh yes, yeah, it's pretty interesting this time. So this time, if you see on the details page, the what Jesse is showing, there'll be two algorithm qualifying rounds, and then we will be doing a one versus one single elimination bracket tournament. So in qualifying one, 128 competitors will qualify to round two, qualifying round two. Out of which, in round two, 32 will qualify to single elimination one versus one bracket. And on the final day, that's the final day of the tournament. If you see the schedule on Sunday, we will be doing the one versus one elimination. And the final two, so basically it would be 32 will go to 16, 16 will go to 8, because it's one versus one. So 8 will go to 4, and then 4 will compete in the final competition for the winner. Top two out of that final four will win will take a trip to the TCO finals. So this is basically our TCO 21 wildcard round as well. Because we have everybody from the region, they have done really well, so we will be doing it. Yes, yeah, at this event itself.
Yeah, it should be fun. And we'll definitely have some good commentating of the rounds. So definitely check out the outdoor rounds. Very cool. Yes, Benita, I'm looking forward to seeing how many challenges you take part in at TCL Regionals. My money's on you doing all of them.
All right, yeah.
All
Yeah,
right.
this year, sorry.
Go ahead. Any other regional stuff, guys?
I was just saying this year we had several ideas coming for the regional events. We again got good chance to ideate. We took a lot of feedback from the community members as well who have been helping us do the regional events, and we finally boiled down to this one. So I hope we hope you guys will like this event and you get a chance to meet members from other regions and your region as well. So yeah, and we really hope next year there is no need to plan a virtual event. We get back to meeting you guys and yeah, doing event in your own region.
Yeah. I never want to host a virtual event again. Okay.
You said that last time as well, Jeffrey.
I never want to host a virtual event again. I want to do them in person. With that, though, I do want to be super clear about that. We went back and forth a few times about potentially doing something in person for our regional events, and the last few months it was just kind of like, no, it's not going to be possible. We need to make sure that we are safe and our staff are safe, our members are safe, everything. If you are in a region and there's members around you and you want to host your own party, please do not do that. The last thing I want to hear is that a TCL regional event was a super spreader COVID event, okay? So it's really important to us that you all stay healthy and safe, and these events do not affect you negatively. So we do not encourage that whatsoever. And I'm going to say that on the record. Like, we do not want you getting in person if it is not safe to do so, or at all for that matter. So we just got to stick this out, do these virtually. And again, maybe next year it'll be true and I don't have to ever do this again virtually. Okay. So everybody stay home, stay safe, do the virtual thing. We'll get through this. And we'll be together next year, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Because Adam cannot wait to fly out to all of you. Chomping at the bit to get on that plane, right, Adam?
Yes.
All right. What does the starter kit contain, Harshit?
It contains a T-shirt. Yeah. So basically, that's what you get when you come to the event. You get an ID card as well when you come to the event. So this time it's just a T-shirt, but it actually arrives after the event. Once you attend the event, I mean, if you saw the conditions. So yeah.
Be nice looking too. I saw them. They're cool. All right. Any other questions on the regionals? Thank you guys for joining and asking those questions. We appreciate it. And Harshit does have a forum. If you want to put the link to the forum in there, Harshit. Anything else
Sure.
that comes up, feel free to put in the forum. That way everyone can benefit from your question and the answer. Okay, so let's move on. Again, if anything else comes up and you have other questions on the regionals, let me know. We do want to make sure we address them, and I hope you guys are excited because we are. We're excited for these events. It should be fun. It'll be a crazy week. It would be fun. Oh, I see one more on the difficulty level for Algo, Harshit, Div 1 or Div 2.
I was on mute. Sorry. For the qualifying round, you would see closer. The level would be closer to Div 2, but for the wildcard and the single elimination rounds, you would see as you progress in the tournament, you would see the difficulty grow to Div 1 hard as you go to the end. So yeah, for the qualifying, it would be Div 2, very close to Div 2. You might see a Div 1 medium here or there, but when we move to the wildcard, it'll be harder. Yes.
Alrighty. I believe the next thing up is the gigs of the week. Yay, everybody loves the gigs of the week. What's going on this week? We've got a data platform design tech lead gig. This one is any location. We're still working on the fixing the time zone working hours thing, so that should be updated in the next few weeks so everyone understands exactly what those time zones mean. But please do check out that gig if you're interested, if you have those skills. And please also share it with a friend in the refer box right there in case you know somebody that'd be interested. It's also very important just to know that if you are interested in applying for one of these gigs that we share, or any gig for that matter, make sure that your resume CV has the skills listed on it that are required in the gig if you want to pass through to get an interview. All right, another gig this week we're promoting is a cloud DevOps engineer role in Latin America. So you must be in the Latin America region, please. So please apply for that or share with a friend. We have lots of really awesome devs in that region. So definitely check that out and share it away. We've got a Heroku Developer Gig. This is for any location, working in top quarter time zone. So, and you can be in any location. So if you're interested in that one, apply and share with a friend. The next one to promote this week is an ETL data warehouse developer. That one is India only. So please check out that gig if you are interested. Again, make sure those skills are somewhere on your resume if you do apply. And then we have an Azure expert, which is a very long gig, any location. So please check that one out if you are interested and you have that experience that is necessary. These are the top gigs of the week. However, if you go to topquoter.com/gigs, which you can find under compete on our website, gig work, you'll see all the gigs that we have available all the time. There's plenty of opportunities, tons of different skill sets, lots of great opportunities with different timings, different money points, skill sets, locations, hours, all different things that you can search through in the gig page. So please do check that out. Any questions on our gigs this week or any gigs? Anyone have anything they want to bring up? We do have Nathan on the line if there's anyone who has a gig question. No gig questions today. Alrighty. If they do come up in the meantime, please throw it in the chat whenever. As always, please refer your friends. We are giving away $500 if you refer friends. And I know there's a number of folks who have benefited from this and have brought us some awesome people. And the best part of that is when they've brought us these awesome people who got the gig, they've had their gig either extended or they've gone on to be a great part of our community, joining our skill builder challenges, jumping into the Edgenet program, doing lots of different things with us. So our community grows when you share Topcoder, whether you're sharing just a gig or you're just sharing in general. We love to have our community growing. So please always tell your friends about Topcoder. We are working, Nathan and I, on a new program where you can absolutely get more prizes and more rewards by referring folks. So that's coming very, very soon. So keep that in mind, because we do want you to earn some money for sharing some awesome people with us. Any questions on the gig referral program? Okay, awesome. All right. What's next? Oh, am I frozen?
Nope, you're here.
My things won't work. Hello. Can I please get my presentation? There we go. Oh well, I know what's going on. Give me 1 second. Having some technical difficulties here. Is my screen still sharing?
Yes.
Go back into the big mode. It is not happy with me today.
You want me to jump into Edgenet?
Yes. Feel free to talk through Edgenet while I figure this out. Thank you, Adam.
Okay, everyone. Hey, reminder, Edgenet is running. Edgenet is a program, developer program that we are running here at Topcoder. Great partnership with Aleph. And there is a challenge that I just put in the chat. This is running, still has another 12 days on it. Very excited about the challenges that we've kicked off here. We just wrapped up one over the weekend, and this one is focused on proximity video ads app. So essentially creating kind of this POC app that will showcase kind of these video ads. Penna, do you have anything else you'd like to add around Edgenet in the program?
Yes, definitely. Do check out this challenge. Even if you haven't done anything Edgenet related yet, check this out. It's a good challenge. It's quite open-ended. You'll be able to really show off your skills here. And there's very sort of loose and open-ended requirements here. So whatever your background is, you will be able to participate. The only requirement is that you'll have to be able to do mobile development. Other than that, I believe you're quite free to choose your tools and technologies that you use here. And there's good prizes as well, so definitely check out the challenge. And of course, there's more challenges coming up, as always. Additionally, I would like to extend an invitation to all our community members who have participated in the Edgenet challenge or Edgenet challenges so far. For our Topcoder content ambassador program, especially in relation to our Edgenet. If you have competed on any Edgenet challenges so far, we would love to have you create content for us to be presented on Thrive and possibly on the blog as well. So whatever your experience is on Edgenet challenges so far, whatever are your opinions on the challenges that have been running, whatever has been your personal experience within challenges, please write about it. We will pay you. If you are interested, contact me or other people in the community team about it. We would love to be able to showcase your work as part of the community ambassador program.
Yeah, we're going to also be updating the Edgenet site eventually with some of those some of those stories. So we're the Adobe site should be the Topcoder Adobe site should be getting updated here throughout the week with similar type stories. So again, this is an opportunity to showcase what you have done in this challenge series, your ideas, your concepts, your story as a developer, and what you've brought to solving these different challenges. So the stories that I see coming in, they're great. I love hearing from everyone. And of course, a couple of stories have followed kind of, the developer did the learning challenge, the developer did a skill builder, developer did the core challenge and was successful. So I think it's great seeing that those steps are being leveraged and used.
Yeah, thank you. And great call out, Penna, and definitely share your story. We love getting content from our members. So awesome. Thank you guys on the Edgenet stuff. We do have, and I think it's on a couple slides from now, but there will be another Edgenet webinar coming up in another week or so. It's the week of the regionals. I mean, this will be a really technical webinar to help you really get engaged. So please save the date for that. So keep things exciting with Edgenet. Any questions on the Edgenet stuff this week, guys?
I just want to reiterate, it's mobile, but it's up to the mobile technology you want to do. So you want to do native, you can do native. You want to do iOS, you want to do Android. That's up to you. If you want to do web, it is open. So as Penna said, like read the requirements. We are looking for proof of concepts. You bringing some of your creativity solving this problem. So jump in.
All right. Moving on to TCO 22, the poor tournament that does not have a logo. Please feel so sorry for poor TCO 22. There's no logo. This is so pathetic. So we need one. So naturally, we're going to run a challenge, and we're going to make it even more exciting and do a brackets tournament challenge. So this is launching. I will find out the date later today. Right, Adam?
Yes.
But we do want you to register. We want to just get an understanding of who's interested. So please jump in here. We will share this form more widely later today, with the actual dates, but just sign up. We do need a logo. We don't do a lot of logo contests here at Top Coder. It's really not our bread and butter, but we always get something really awesome for TCO. So it's a really great opportunity to do something different and fun and have some fun with it. So please join in.
So the key thing here is I need everyone to register. And of course, don't register too late because we do need an even number of competitors because it is going to be a bracket style tournament. And we are going to have some fun where we will provide live feedback. So Jesse, myself, and additional judges where we will be doing kind of, TV style, like we'll give you a 5 or a 10, or, we're going to have some fun with this bracket tournament. You will not be seated like a number 1 or rank and a number 2 rank or a number 50 rank. It's going to be based on registrations. We will randomly match people up, and of course then show the brackets and what times you will be competing. So looking to have a lot of fun with this and get a logo created through a tournament style. So providing feedback and moving on to the next stage based on that feedback. So please register as soon as possible. More details coming.
Yeah, for sure. And it's more than just a bracket tournament with, designing a logo, but it's an actual event. Yeah. And we have a lot of fun, and we get on camera and we share stories, and we talk and we watch the designers work. And I cannot wait to be like a Dancing with the Stars judge with my number. I'm going to be the nice one though. I'm not going to be the one that's so critiquey and has the fake accent or whatever. I'm not going to do that.
The whole reason Jesse wants to do this is because she gets to do judging cards. So
the only reason.
Register and be part of it. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, for sure. All right, any questions on that? Let us know. Throw it in the chat or hit up Adam or I. So we're excited about that. Okay, next up, let's talk about /TC for a second. Just throwing this out there. So some of you folks might remember /TC, maybe you don't. But back when I started at Top Coder lots of years ago, /TC was kind of a thing. It basically was just topcoder.com/TC. And it was the homepage for our community where everyone went to know all the latest of what was happening, what was going on. And just for some memory's sake, I put up /TC from back in 2007. And so this little dashboard area here, I loved it so much because I knew that whatever I put on here, the members would see it. And lately, it's been tough for us to really make sure you understand what's happening at Top Coder. And so it's one of the reasons why we created this call, so that every week you knew what was happening and there was a place to go and you could find it out. And so my vision here is to kind of get /TC back in a way where it's this call, but it's a living call. So everything we talk about every week will be on a page called /TC again. And we'll have the news, we'll have, the latest gigs and everything for you. So we're working on this project. I'm very excited about it because it's something I wish we had never lost. And I really want to bring it back for the community. And so we have run some design challenges. We've come up with a really awesome design that we're happy with, but that doesn't matter because that's us. It's what really matters is what you guys think of it. So in the next week or so, I don't have the exact date, but Nick and the team will be running a beta tester program, a challenge to go through what we have chosen for the /TC page that you guys can view and give us feedback and make sure it's what you want it to be like. Again, the premise is going to be taking this call and having it on the website all the time that you can go to. And so if you miss the meeting, you can go to the website and find it. You don't have to watch the whole recording, right? Although you will miss our beautiful faces, and we'll still be doing this call, so you can still watch us and listen to us and chat with us. So please stay tuned for that. In case you were not aware, I will just share the beta tester program is a really fun opportunity for you if you like to give feedback and you want to make sure that Topcoder is the best place it can be for the community members. So Nick runs this really awesome thing that you can apply to be a part of. So this group of members will be the one that will be looking at the /TC page we created and help us provide that feedback to help us improve it and make it even better. And then you get your name on here. Oh, so Vanita's in our beta tester group, and I'm sure a few others that might be on this call are. If you're not, if you scroll down to the bottom of that page, you can sign up. So if you want to be a part of it, join now. And of course, we look forward to rolling out the new /TC page when we are ready. Any questions on that? All right, I'm really excited about that. So hope you guys are too. Okie dokie, what's next? Okay, the calendar update. So we do have an SRM coming up this week already. Or is that next week? I don't even know what day it is anymore. Oh, that's Saturday. There's SRM on Saturday. We have an AMA with V-Dave next week. He's one of our marathon competitors, a really cool guy. We do have an Edgenet webinar, as I was talking about, on the 3rd of August. And that will be right a part of our regional events as well. So all those regional events that you saw on the schedule earlier. So that first week of August is going to be a pretty crazy week. So hopefully none of the Topcoder team has vacation time that week. Yeah, because it's going to be kind of crazy. Adam's going to be out all week. He's like, peace out, guys. Actually, Harshad, we should probably, I don't even remember, is our schedule blocking this call? We might not even be able to. Our call might be on Hopin for that Monday, August 2nd. So if you show up on Zoom, we might not be there. We might be in Hopin. So I'll let you guys know, and I'll make sure I update the calendar accordingly. All right. And Hopin is our event platform. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Hopin, that's where we do the events virtually. All right, and that's it for me presentation-wise, so I will stop there and see if anyone else on the Topcoder team has anything else they'd like to share or promote this year, as well as call for any questions. What do we got, guys? Any other questions? Anything else to share, promote? Any of our team have anything cool going on?
I just posted a link to our Salesforce skill builder. So if you are new to Salesforce and or if you are planning to do a change in your career, moving to a new technology or trying a new technology, you'll thank me later. Do try Salesforce. It's growing rapidly. There are a lot of opportunities on Topcoder as well. This is a great time to jump into a Salesforce competition and kind of learn Apex. Apex is the language that Salesforce it uses. You can program workflows, you can program triggers, and you can develop your apps. So this is the Apex skill builder competition. Do jump in and try it out, and as I said, you'll thank me later. Salesforce is growing very rapidly at Topcoder, so there are a lot of opportunities. So this is a great time to jump in. Yeah, do join, please.
Thanks, Harshit. Yeah, we didn't go through all the skill builders this week. We've done a lot, so I figured I'd take a week off, but definitely check them out. A fan technician. Good luck with that, Nathan. It's called air conditioning. Every day, all day.
Not worth it for 2 days of the year, is it?
I don't know. I feel like it's been more than that over in the UK this year.
Yeah.
Yep. What else is going on? Anyone else have any questions, concerns, comments? Oh, the next RDM Harshit. What's going on with that one?
We are almost done with the problems. So yeah, you would see it this week. You would see a notification around the dates. It takes some time to test them and make sure the the things are running, because it's automated testing, and it changes every time with every problem we have. So we'll have it. We have it ready. We have 2 problems ready. We're working on the hard one. So it'll be, I think, it'll be ready this week, and then we'll announce the date for the same. Yes.
Awesome. Thanks, Harshit. Any other questions, comments? Nothing? Okay. Well, we will be back again next Monday as usual. And again, we have that great AMA that is happening. Oh, I think I forgot to share the link to that one. Let me put that in there. That was the last page I had, I didn't share. So definitely check out that AMA with V-Dave. Those events have been really, really cool to listen to, guys. Some of our veteran members have some really awesome stories to share and some really amazing tips. So I would encourage you to check out that one live and check out our previous ones that we have done. It's always great to learn from our veteran competitors. Great conversations. Luis does a really great job.
Yeah, and the good part about this one is, this is a really great part. So Dave, Dave, as we know him, competed in the first marathon back in 2007. That was MM1, and he qualified for his first regionals, first TCO finals last year. So he's going strong, and he loves marathons more than anything. So we did see some algorithm queries come in. So if you are an algorithm competitor, you have been competing in SRMs and you want to try marathons, it's going to be a great AMA to jump in, understand marathons with him. Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, again, thank you for joining today. Our emails are always available. Reach out to us anytime questions arise, or just jump in the forums. But we'll see you guys next week. Have a great week. Thank you all.